Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. If you have not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to get notifications for my further videos. Today we learn to put overcast stitch above this curved line. Insert 6 strands of threads with one needle at one point and hold it near that same point. You can insert another thread. I am using 3 strands for this and insert back again on the other side of the thread. See here, once again insert the needle on one side of the previous thread and bring back on the other side like this. See here, once again bring the needle through one side of the previous thread and insert back on the other side of the thread. So the center thread will be like a thick rope inside. Insert the needle on one side and take back through the other side so that this stitch will look like a thick rope. You can hold the inner thread with your left thumb and stitch with your right. Bring the needle on one side and take it back on the other side so that it will look like a thick rope. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. You can use this stitch at any point like curved lines or straight lines in your patterns. And I hope the stitch is now clear for you. Coming to the end, insert the yellow thread behind and make a knot at the back side. And this is the overcast stitch. This is the back view of the stitch. To learn more embroidering stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.